Hello viewers, welcome to APGI Digital Video Lecture Series. Today we will discuss the basic overview of GST, that is Goods and Services Tax. As we know that Goods and Services Tax is not a new concept for our Indian economy. It has own importance in previous years while many governments are introducing this GST concept, but due to some lacking or limitations, this act was not implemented in the previous year. But in today's session, we will highlight the historic framework as well as basic overview and its types of GST. In the year 1999, the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Sri Atal Bihari Vajpayee, and its committee, which constitutes this bill at the first time, and the members of these committee are G. Gujral, Asim Das Gupta, and other members who are directly involved to follow and to implement this GST framework. But due to some possibilities and problems, this concept was not passed. In the year 2015, Asim Das Gupta introduced new concept GST with some addition in the previous bills, which was not implemented due to its non-fulfillment of various other conditions. Again, after implementing various key changes in the proposed bill of GST in the year 2016, at the time of August 2016, this bill was passed in the parliament in the both session, Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, with a majority stake. At that time, many people who are opposing this bill, but in the year 2017, at the time of January month, 18 states of Indian territory are ratified this GST bill. Before implementing this bill in the year 2017, 21 states Indian territory are ratified this statement. Now, in the year 1st July 2017, GST was implemented in the whole India except Jammu and Kashmir, because Jammu Kashmir made its GST bill and passed on 7th July 2017, which deals with a unified tax system. Why I am using unified? There is only one single tax system, that is called GST. There is no service tax, no custom duty, no VAT. There is only one unified payment tax system, which is known as GST. In this slide, as you see this, the first point clearly shows that the GST was applicable in India on 1st July 2017. That's why we celebrate 1st July as GST Day. Before goods and services tax, there is various tax like service tax, VAT, which is known as value added tax, and many other tax which is under the head of indirect taxes. Now, after implementation of this GST, there is only one single payment system, tax system, which is known as GST. This tax does not apply on alcoholic products, crude oil, petrochemicals, and many other mentioned under the GST bill. Now, if we talk about services on which GST is not concerned, GST is not applicable on your salary and wages, your electricity, your interest, and your land amount, such as college fees, many other fees which is associated with this. Now, moving towards the GST flowchart, we can see that there are two basic broad heads of GST. One is state GST within the state, and other is interstate. If we talk about state, there is state GST, there is central GST. And if we talk about other than state, it is only integrated goods and services tax. Now, types of GST. Types of GST are broadly classified into three categories. That is central GST, which is levied or imposed by the central government of India. Second one is state GST, which is imposed by the state government of India. State government of India. State government of India. Now we will discuss the types of GST. We can say that GST basically described on three parameters. First parameter is central GST, which is governed by the central government laws. Another is SGST, that is implemented on the guidelines of state government. And third one is integrated goods and services tax, that is called IGST, which is applied when two goods are transferred or transported within the same geographical boundaries of country, state. One is like if we talk about we transport some goods from Madhya Pradesh and came to UP. At the time of entering in UP border, MP plus UP made a strategic alliance about the deciding the GST rate of this concept. And this example is a perfect example for integrated goods and services tax. For more videos, kindly subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you viewers. Thank you so much.